Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the 4 different ways that you can hide a page on your Squarespace website. These are the different ways that you can hide a page based on the reason that you want to hide the page. So I definitely recommend watching through this whole video so you can pick the best way to hide a page based upon the reason that you want to hide it. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Henry Purchase. I made the SEO plugin for Squarespace, so I'm going to be actually showing you how to do this on a live website. This is SEO Space's site. So diving straight into it, you want to make sure that you're actually on the Pages tab on the Squarespace editor. And now I'm going to show you the first way that you can hide a page. Now, the first way that you can hide a page is hide it from the main navigation. So the main navigation are all of the pages that show up in your main navigation. As you can see at the top here, this is our main navigation. And the first way to hide it is you may not actually want it to show up here. Now, in order to hide a page from your navigation, all you need to do is select that page and drag it into the not linked section, because the not linked section are pages that are not linked on your header on your Squarespace website. So that's the third way to hide a page. Now, this page will still exist on your website. It just won't be linked from your navigation. Now, if you want that page to be completely disabled, i.e. you want to hide it from the navigation, you don't want anyone to ever be able to access it, first, you'll need to drag it from the main navigation into not linked. And then once it's there, you're going to head over to the little settings icon, as you can see here. And once you're here, I want you to click on this enable page option and turn this off. And this is going to disable this page from your Squarespace website. So it'll still exist. You'll still be able to edit it, but no one will actually be able to access it on your Squarespace site. So that's the second way you can hide a page on your Squarespace site. The third way you can hide a page is actually password protect it. So this page will still exist, but in order to actually access it, you'll need to add a password in order to get to the web page's content. And this is really helpful because if you drag it into the not linked section, first of all, no one will be able to find it unless they have the URL of the web page. But if they do have that URL, in order to access it, by typing in a password here and then pressing save, this will require them to have the password in order to actually access that page. So now you know the first 3 methods. I'm now going to walk you through the 4th method. And this is actually hiding your Squarespace page from search engines. So if you want the page to exist, whether that be in the not linked section or in the main navigation, but you don't want that web page in order to be found via search engines, so you want to hide it from Google completely, what you need to do is, again, head back over to settings. From there, you're then going to want to click on SEO and then scroll all the way to the bottom and select hide page from search results. So that's going to, again, the page will still exist if you have the URL. If you click on a link in order to get to it on your website, you'll still be able to find it, but it will hide it from search results. So Google and Bing, etc. will not be able to display it on search engines. So there you are, guys. That is the 4 different ways that you can hide a page on your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to SEO Space's YouTube channel. And I'll also add a link in the description in order to sign up for a 7-day free trial of our Squarespace SEO plugin. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.